Good morning, KASM listeners. This is Kyle Weimann, Operations Manager at the Stearns Conservation District, with your weekly conservation report. As we look forward and ahead to spring, this is the perfect time for area farmers to start thinking about your conservation planning before fieldwork begins. A little preparation now can help keep projects on schedule once the weather warms up, and our team is here to support you throughout the process. For producers planning spring conservation work, it is an ideal time to review your conservation plan and any existing contracts you may have through our office for EQIP, CSP, State Cost Share, MAWQCP, or other programs. This is also a great moment to evaluate your soil health and water quality opportunities for your land, such as cover crops, reduced tillage, nutrient management planning and implementation, or filter strips along the edges of your fields. Programs like EQIP, CSP, and the Minnesota Ag Water Quality Certification Program, MAWQCP, continue to support farmers who want to protect soil structure, improve infiltration, and reduce runoff to keep your valuable topsoil in place. And for those managing marginal acres or sensitive ground, CRP enrollment may be a good fit for you. If you'd like help determining which practices work best for your operation, our staff is always happy to walk through the options. Here at the Conservation Office, we recently wrapped up a very successful beginning farmer workshop, which we held in partnership with USDA's Farm Service Agency, Natural Resources Conservation Service, Rural Development, and the Minnesota Department of Agriculture. We had more than 100 attendees who joined us to learn about financial assistance, conservation opportunities, strategies for getting started in agriculture, and a lot more. If you weren't able to attend and are interested, we do have copies of the materials available. You can just contact our office and we'll be glad to get them for you. A quick reminder as well about the upcoming Irrigators Clinic on March 24th. That'll be from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. in Glenwood. The topics there will include groundwater appropriations permitting, cover crops, precision agriculture, or irrigation, and other important subjects for irrigators looking to improve efficiency and meet state requirements. The event is free, but registration with Pope SWCD is required. Turning to youth education, or conservation education, we're excited for this year's Area 2 Envirothon that's coming up on April 15th. This event brings together middle school and high school students for hands-on competition in forestry, soils, wetlands, and aquatics, wildlife, and some current issue stations. This year's theme is non-point source pollution. It begins at home. Stearns County will be represented at the Area Envirothon by teams from St. John's Prep, Sartell Middle School, and Sartell High School. With 18 teams participating across the whole area, it promises to be a fun and educational day for our local youth. And continuing with opportunities for our young conservationists, our annual poster contest is open for all 5th and 6th graders. The theme this year is Soil, Where It All Begins. Entries are due by May 11th, and top posters will advance to the area and possibly state or national competitions where cash prizes are available. A lot more details and resources for putting together your poster can be found on our website. For landowners planning habitat or windbreak projects, our Stearns Conservation District tree sale is underway through the end of April, with pickup tentatively scheduled for May 1st at Rockville County Park. If you're thinking about adding trees for wildlife habitat, energy savings, erosion control, windbreaks, now is a great time to place your order before stock runs out, and orders are accepted day and night on our website. As we head into the growing season, I do want to encourage anyone considering conservation work, whether it's soil health practices, engineering for erosion control projects, enrollment in various financial assistance programs, etc., to reach out early. Spring is a very busy time for us all, and getting plans in motion now helps to ensure that everything comes together smoothly when field conditions are ready to get started. You can give us a call anytime, Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at 320-251-7800, extension 3. You can also learn more about these topics, request a site visit, sign up for our newsletters, and more at stearnscd.org. We look forward to hearing from you and working together to meet your conservation goals. With your Stearns Conservation District Weekly KASM Conservation Report, this has been Kyle Weimann. Thanks for listening.